Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about another new product. Let's beginning. First is the product name. Naturium Azelaic Topical Acid 10% is a lightweight serum designed to improve skin tone, reduce redness, and balance excess oil for brighter, healthier looking skin. Powered by a glycinated azelaic acid complex, it gently exfoliates while keeping skin hydrated and comfortable, making it an effective solution for dullness, discoloration, and uneven skin texture. Key benefits: improves skin tone, brightens and reduces the appearance of dark spots, discoloration, and redness, balances excess oil, helps regulate sebum production, making it suitable for oily and combination skin types, gently exfoliates, promotes smoother skin without causing irritation, even for those with sensitive skin. Clean formulation, fragrance-free, vegan, paraben-free, and cruelty-free. Key ingredients: glycinated azelaic acid complex, a gentle azelaic acid derivative that minimizes imperfections, reduces redness, and smooths skin texture. Niacinamide, balances oil production, improves skin elasticity, and enhances the skin barrier. Vitamin C, brightens skin tone and provides antioxidant protection against free radical damage. Coffee seed extract, reduces dullness and adds an energizing boost to tired-looking skin. Results: 100% of subjects showed improved exfoliation after 8 weeks. 82% of subjects experienced reduced redness after 8 weeks. Results based on an 8-week clinical study with diverse skin types, including sensitive skin. How to use: shake well before use. Apply an even layer to the face, neck, and chest, avoiding the eye area. Follow with a moisturizer for best results. Always wear SPF during the day to protect the skin from sun sensitivity. Note: if mild redness or sensitivity occurs, reduce usage frequency until your skin adjusts. A patch test is recommended before the first use. This product is an excellent option for those looking to address uneven skin tone, redness, and oiliness while maintaining a hydrated, healthy complexion. Next product reviews. Naturium Multi-Peptide Moisturizer is a nourishing, anti-aging cream designed to improve skin hydration, smooth texture, and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Formulated with a blend of peptides, encapsulated vitamin C, and panthenol, it supports a youthful, radiant complexion while keeping skin soft and supple. Benefits: deep hydration, instantly doubles hydration levels, leaving skin soft, smooth, and plump. Reduces fine lines, wrinkles. The multi-peptide blend targets visible signs of aging for firmer, youthful-looking skin. Improves skin texture, helps refine the skin surface for a smoother, more even feel. Clean formulation, fragrance-free, vegan, cruelty-free, and paraben-free, suitable for all skin types. Ingredients: multi-peptide blend, targets signs of aging by visibly reducing fine lines and improving skin elasticity. Encapsulated ethylated vitamin C, a stable, potent form of vitamin C that brightens the skin and protects against free radical damage. Panthenol Pro Vitamin B5 moisturizes the skin deeply while helping to reduce inflammation and support skin barrier function. Clinical results: 100% of participants showed improvement in the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles after 8 weeks. 100% experienced a doubling of hydration levels instantly. Results based on an 8-week clinical study on diverse skin types, including sensitive skin. How to use: gently massage the moisturizer onto your face, neck, and chest using upward motions. Use daily, preferably after applying serums and treatment. Always wear SPF during the day to protect your skin from sun damage. Note: perform a patch test before the first use to ensure compatibility. This lightweight yet powerful moisturizer delivers anti-aging benefits while deeply hydrating and soothing the skin. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.